Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to send GIF on Instagram direct message. So to send this you need to click any chat here, like you can see I have sent, and here you will see the GIF icon here. So if you will click on this and if you will try to send it from here, you can see you will get a message Instagram doesn't support image insertion here. So to send GIF you need to click on the plus icon here, and here you will find one more GIF. So click on it and you can search it anything here, and you will get so many GIF here, and you need to click on this whichever you like. For example, I will select this one here, and you can see this is moving, like this GIF is working, it is not just going as a image. So this is how you can send GIF to anyone on Instagram direct messages.